really happy with this harvest. Let's cook this at the shed. Woo. Welcome sa ating kubo. Kagaya na sinabi ko, Chinese ang ating gagawing kangkong recipe today. Chinese, a departure from the adobo that we love. Malayo ba? No! It has the same umami taste. Wala tong halong karne, pure vegetable. Hugasan lang natin ng konti. Actually, hindi kailangan hugasan na mabuti dahil alam natin kung saan nanggaling. Cut, resume. Okay. To retain its color and flavor, at para attractive siya, i-blanch muna natin. I-blanch, kamote. Yan. Huwag natin idiretso sa mantika dahil magdidilim. Hanggang ano lang, hanggang mag-wilt. Hindi kailangan lutuin. Yeah, I think that's even almost ready. Samantala, paandarin na natin ang stove dahil dito tayo mag-gigisa or mag-sister fry. Pwede na yan. Hindi ako napasok, ha? Yan. Daming tubig. Ganon. Wala pa tayong mag-stir fry dito sa kabila. What makes this Chinese? Ito. Nakwento ko na to pero meron kaming kaibigan na dentista, nagtrabaho sa Dubai. Alam mo naging trabaho? Chef sa Chinese restaurant. Tanong namin, paano ka naging chef? Eh, wala ka naman background sa cooking. Wala. Ang sagot niya ay, madali lang. Everything is stir fry and oyster sauce. And that's what we're doing. Magiging Chinese. Yeah. We're just adding oyster sauce to make this Chinese kangkong. Wala pa rin tayong tabi natin yan. So we just stir fry. The onion is optional even. Ito yung sobra natin kaninang coriander dahil nagluto tayo ng sudado de pescado. Pexil, Peruvian style. Ang galing ko. Yun na ating magiging lunch ngayon. Fish, Chinese-style Peruan, and this as a side dish. Did I say Peruan? Peruvian. Peruan. And then the garlic. Yan. Ano mahirap doon? Napakadali. And this time, I can add a drained kangkong. Drained kangkong. Ayan. Ang daming naging resulta. This was still drained. I'm sure. This will still shrink. Ang dami nga, grabe. I think that's the biggest quantity of kangkong I've ever seen. Sayang naman kasi kung hindi i-harvest. Punta kayo kasi rito, visit me, bigyan mo kayo ng kangkong. Yan. Ano mahirap doon? Daduling ko siya ng konting tubig and it's done. Dagdagan ko pa para maging luxurious. Yan. Alam mo yung naririnig nyo? May naglo-lawn mower. Oh, easy. Tikman nga natin. Tikman natin. Tikman natin. Ay, ay, ay. Alam niyo yung paggamit ng oyster sauce ay bago rin sa akin. Hindi namin ginagawa yun sa bahay. I just learned it from the net. Yeah. Sarap. Napapaliw si Manang Grace dito. Yan. Di ba maganda rin na hindi masyadong linuluto? Tingnan nyo, lumiit. Ang dami-dami kanina. Okay. This is good. I'm sure you'll love it. Dalhin natin kay Manang Grace. Let's turn it off. And this is our kangkong. Fresh from our berry harvest. Or fresh from our garden. I hope you've been inspired to, just like me, grow, cook, and share. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Start recording. Hoy! Oh, you're recording! Here. So what we're doing is, para madala natin madali, lagay ko na lang dito. And let's bring it to Manang Grace. Yeah. Para yung sobra, I think walang sobra ngayon. Mauwi. Yeah. Let's bring it to Manang Grace. Let's bring this to Manang Grace. Manang! Oh my god. Paksiw.
Heb je de Eiffeltoren in Parijs gezien?
Mag ik je vakantiefoto's eens zien?
That's our Chinese Kangkong.
We gaan even...
Mag ik je
Hindi mas
vakantiefoto's
makangkang.